Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I am doing a little different video than what I usually do. Usually I am all into my makeup tutorials and all that stuff. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial today also, but today I want to talk about other things also. So as you can see from the title of my video, it's about the Pride month. So June, basically the whole entire month of June is the Pride month. Now I'm not going to take you into too deep into it. If you want to know about it, of course you can Google it, you can see it on Wikipedia and every stuff. I'll just give you an overview of why I'm doing this, what it is, and what it is all about. So basically Pride month celebrates the LGBTQ I plus community. It's just extending, but basically it's the LGBTQ community, which is for the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgenders, and the Q one is a little difficult to pronounce, but it actually stands for the hijras, chakas, and all that third gender people. So the Pride month actually celebrates them. It is for their support, it is for their empowerment. People out there who belong to these community, but they actually lack support. If their parents are not supporting them, or the society is not supporting them, their work environment, people around them are not supporting them. Pride month actually celebrates that, to provide them enough support for them to stand up. That is what Pride month is all about. Now, as far as I am concerned in this entire topic, I feel that these people need our support. They need a lot of our support. And the rainbow actually is that I would say that symbol of support for them. So anything that depicts rainbow actually comes as this support to the Pride community. And basically in my community, that is a beauty community, the YouTubers that do this makeup, or even the makeup artists, anyone that is related to makeup or beauty, in this community particularly, there are a lot of people that are from this LGBTQ community. So you will see a lot of transgenders that work as model in this industry. You will see a lot of makeup artists that belong to this community. That is how it works for this community, the makeup community. And I think it becomes extremely essential when you are a part of a community. You support the fellow people. That is the reason why I always have this sort of support in my heart for the Pride, the entire Pride community. And through my video, I just want to share my support. I just feel that these people, they just deserve equal everything that you would give to a straight male or female, or just a male or female. Not considering there are just two genders, not considering there is just one sexuality, that is a man loving a woman or a woman loving a man. There is a lot more to it, and let's just celebrate that. So for that, today I'll be doing more like a rainbow, the whip gear kind of eye. I did it one last year, that was a very basic rainbow eye. Today I want to secrete my makeup juices and just go deep in there, and I just want to see what I can really create today. So I'll be using my Beauty Glazed palette. It does have a lot of pure colors. It actually lacks indigo, the true indigo color, but I'll find indigo somewhere. I'm very sure in my entire makeup stash I'll find indigo. Yes, there is one sort of like an indigo color. Then we have greens. We do have greens. We have yellows. We have oranges. We have reds. So yeah, let's dive in. Now honestly, I have no idea what I'm really going to create, or what I'm really thinking of doing. It's just I'm trying to improvise as I'm moving into the video. So bear with me. Let's just move in. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. Alright, we are a little zoomed in and we are starting off with the palette. Okay, so I used my tape, when I know that I'm going to do something that is very intricate and very delicate, I usually put on tape so that I don't mess up, screw up the stuff. So I am actually going to start off with this red color, I have not used this color from this palette. In the last look we did not use it. Now I am just going to put it over here because we are actually going to do a cut crease, like a full blown cut crease. So just putting it over here in the upper portion of the eye. Concentrate more on the upper portion than the lower portion. I am not putting anything in the inner corner because that is exactly where I will be putting the yellow. So I'll just put it over here. I am not blending it right now because that is a later process. Right now I'm just stamping on the red color and dropping my brushes. The usual cycle, our routines have not changed. Well, I almost forgot, 24th of June actually marks the first anniversary of my channel. So my channel is almost a year old now, which is quite exciting for me because I honestly never thought it would survive this much. And of course I want to thank everybody. I mean, I don't know if this video will, I'm very sure this video will go after the actual anniversary. I'm trying to put the cat eye over there. So I just want to thank everyone who watches my video, every day as their routine. They watch my videos, almost all of my videos. I would really like to thank them. It's really overwhelming for me to actually see people watching my videos, which is weird because I never thought anybody would. So yeah, a token of appreciation from my side. Now I'm using the orange color. We are diving into this particular orange color. This is the only true orange color in this palette, so I'll be taking this. Now we are going to blend this red with this orange, which is, I'll be taking a fluffier brush and I'm going into the Huda Beauty palette and taking this particular orange, and I'll be just blending it. Move on with my same transition brush that I was using since the beginning. We are going to dye this Glam Girls. This is like a true yellow, a bright yellow, and it is really nice. The pigmentation of it is really nice, and of course if it isn't, we are going to stamp it using the powder, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner over here where the red is, connecting that. Right now I'm just giving it a very rough space. We'll darken it later because we have to work out a lot of things. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer, and okay, so I am taking my concealer. First of all, I'll put it directly onto the lid because I will have to use a lot of concealer over here today. Starting off with the green color now. This palette does not have like a true green color, but I will go with this one and mix a little bit of this one. This is the matte one green. I don't have a true green actually. And we're just going to use it over the half of the eye. In my transition brush now, I'll be diving into the red color and a little bit of green to just smudge them together. So this is the color, and I'll be taking this on a brush and putting it on the other half of my eye. Just to use my finger. This is a little patchy. I'm right now just stamping it, and I'll be blending it later. And finally the last color, the lightest blue color, which is this, and using the concealer brush, I'll be stamping it into the inner corner. Everything looks very harsh right now. We have to blend it, and I'll be blending it using my brush, blending all the corners together. Better. So I look like an exotic peacock today. So again I'm taking the yellow color and I'll be putting it again because I want to intensify the yellow color a little bit more. So I'll be taking a tinier brush, taking the yellow color, and I'll be doing the eyeliner quickly, and then we move on to the lower lash line, so let me do that. Okay, so I have put some kohl onto my eyes now. We'll be doing the lower lash line, and I will start off with the red color followed by the orange and the yellow. Okay, so colors have been stamped. Now it is the time to blend them. I'll be taking a tapered brush and I'll be taking the yellow color. First of all, I'll actually start with the red because I want to clean out the wing. I want the wings, the lower wing and the the upper wing to look actually merged and cohesive. The orange. So I'm taking yellow and just smudging everything all together so that looks cohesive. Let me put on some mascara and lashes and I'll be right now. So yes guys, this was my take on the entire bride look, and this is the eye makeup I did out of this bride thing. I mean, I love this look. I usually don't do like a lot of such colors, but I am loving how it really looks. And yeah, so all I would say is that if you guys really believe in it, do support the bride community. And also I would say this world is just too, this life is too small to really have hatred and everything. Love everybody and support everybody. You never know what everyone else is going through. So yes, that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.